Hey guys, Ben Cad here, and today I'm trying to disable the daytime running lamps that exist down where the fog lamps are in the Australian delivered models. Yeah, as you can see in these fog lights there is the globe at the front and also the globe at the back that you can kind of see back there. We want to disable this one at the front, which is the daytime running lamp, because it's just an ugly orange light. If we look under this area, you'll see there's a bit of a plate that we're going to have to remove, and it's held on with plastic clips. Alright, so we have removed our front two plastic clips, one here and there. They look like this when you take them out, and one metallic screw which was a little bit further up holding it on. Just these removed, you can kind of pull this plastic flap down and get underneath to where we need to go for the fog light. Alright, so we're underneath the car. We'll pull this flap back, and you will should be able to see the plugs for our fog light. I don't know which one's which, but I'm going to assume this is for the daytime running lamp and this is for the fog light. So I've just thrown my phone up and I can't see it at all, so I hope I'm reaching for the right thing. But I'm simply just gonna unplug this, and that was extremely easy. Alright, so we've disconnected our daytime running lamp plug, and now we're just going to add some tape over that plug just to protect it. There we go, that should keep it clean and fresh for if we decide to use it again later. And finally we've put a bit of tape over the plug for the headlight itself, and we've cable tied the old cable up with the other one just so it doesn't rattle around while we drive. Alright, now we're on to the passenger side of the car, and expecting a very similar approach. Alright, so we've removed our two clips on here and on here, and also just here, which was a proper screw. Alright, so like the other side, we should just be able to peel everything out. There we go, we're in. It looks pretty much exactly the same. This one here looks like the fog light, and this is the guy that we want to remove to stop our daytime running light. There you go. Done. Alright, so covered a bit of tape over the plug up there as well. It's not that well connected, but we'll see if it lasts. And I've cable tied our cable with the tape over it, ready for another day. Obviously the tape's kind of an option, but if you want to kind of make sure the dust's out, well, it's always a good idea to kind of help protect the plugs. And let's just put this back together and we're all done. The headlight's set to automatic now. And let's go check to see if the daytime running lamps are on. Here we go. No more ugly light. Now if we turn our headlights on and turn our fog lights on, you can see we still have the fog lights on.